Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin in WhatsApp, open Settings, then Chats, and select Chat Backup. This is where you control backups. Once there, verify the linked account. Google Drive on Android or iCloud on iPhone because backups fail without the right account, storage, or permissions. Next, tap Backup Now to create a fresh snapshot. This ensures you have a restore point before changing frequency or media options. Make sure automatic backups are off while you adjust settings, so your edits take effect cleanly without overlapping uploads. With a fresh backup secured, change the frequency to match your needs. Daily if you want minimal loss, weekly for balance, or manual if you prefer control. Then decide whether to include videos. They increase size and consume bandwidth, so exclude them if storage or data is limited. Finally, pick the network policy. Wi-Fi only saves cellular data, while Wi-Fi and cellular uploads more often. Once done, confirm the selected account on Android, or verify iCloud free space on iPhone so scheduled backups won't fail. Finish by tapping Backup one more time to validate your new settings and watch the progress indicator. This confirms permissions and connectivity are correct. If a backup stalls or restore fails later, first check that you're signed into the right Google or Apple account, that Drive or iCloud has space, and that WhatsApp has permission to use storage and background data. If problems persist, sign out and sign back into the cloud account, then retry. Only reinstall WhatsApp after confirming a good backup exists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.